Hi, I'm Dr. Duke. Beginning on May 15th, I'll be offering a free 4-week live online lecture series at FreedomProject.com, which tackles the issue of abortion. Part 1 considers the history of abortion and infanticide across cultures. Part 2 details the alarming reasons that abortion became legal in Western culture. Part 3 makes the ethical, moral, and theological case against abortion. And Part 4 imagines a world where abortion is outlawed. Join us for Part 1 of our 4-part series on Tuesday, May 15th at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. And if you can't attend live, register online to receive an email each week with a link to the recorded lecture so you can view the program anytime you like. We hope to see you on Tuesday, May 15th for the launch of our brand new online lecture series entitled Abortion, Legalizing Genocide in the Name of Choice. Visit freedomproject.com to register today.